Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did a natural makeup look for school. I am not going back to high school, I am going to college. I know, crazy. If I was going back to school, I would probably wear this makeup. It is very natural makeup. So yeah, this is the makeup look. If you want to learn how to do it, keep on watching and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, because I'm really close to 400. I know that's nothing. Hey guys, I don't mean to interrupt the video, but I already hit 400 subscribers, so this part is useless, but thank you for 400. That is crazy to me. I know it's not a lot, but thank you. Let's get right into the makeup. So we all know we don't really have that much time in the morning. Who actually wakes up super early to get ready for school? I know I didn't. So first I'm taking my Mario Badescu, I don't know if I said that right, rose water, just to freshen my face in the morning. And then I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish priming water to prime my face. I like doing brows first. So since this is school, I feel like more people want to be more natural. I don't know, that was just me. I never really did heavy makeup at school, only if I was wearing something like super nice. And usually I would use a Anastasia Brow Wiz, but I don't have that at the moment. But I do have the Maybelline Tattoo Studio eyebrow thing. It's not my favorite thing, but it's all I have right now. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows with this, but I usually would use the Brow Wiz. Okay, so next you could either use foundation or what I'm using, it doesn't really matter. Right now I'm going to be using the Maybelline BB Cream, like the tinted moisturizer. Disclaimer, this isn't my shade right now, I know that for a fact, but I really like tinted moisturizer over foundation in the summer and like in the heat, and it's usually hot in the beginning of the school year. It is darker than my face, but it'll all come together at the end, but like initially it is not my shade, so I'm sorry for that. Even though it's moisturizer, you can apply it with your hands, but since it's tinted, it still gets all over your hands, so I feel like I should just use a beauty blender. Yeah, see, that's not my color. But once I blend it, I think it'll match because I do wear this occasionally. Like, look, that's not bad at all. Okay. Okay, so my foundation is done. So next I'm going to do concealer, and it's the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 18. 2 dots there. There. Here, and then done. Okay, so after my concealer, I'm just going to set my face with powder. Just everywhere. Just got the brush in my eyeball. Okay, so now that your face is set and it's going to be great for the rest of the day, I'm going to go in with my Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. And I think it's the regular shade. And definitely down the neck. Now that your cheeks are chiseled, I'm going to spray my face again with the Smashbox Photo Finish priming water. And then you're gonna go straight in with highlighter because your face is wet, so I feel like it goes on easier and like more blinding, like that. The chin, Cupid's bow. With your finger on the nose, use a brush. It'll make your nose look even bigger than it is, and you don't want that. So this step is also optional. All of these steps are pretty much optional, except like powdering, because you just need to do that. But I'm gonna go in with the QAF eyeshadow palette by ColourPop, and I'm going to take this shade and then a dot of that one and just put that in my crease. It just will give you some sort of color. I'm gonna go in with this gold right here and just take a little bit on my finger and put it on my lid. Just blend that all together. We have like 1 or 2 more steps left. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara like the usual. I always curl one eye at a time just because I feel like the other ones fall out if you like let them sit while you're putting mascara on. So yeah, I don't know if it's true or not, but that's a tip from Jen. Tips from Jen. Okay, mascara done. Last but not least is lips. I personally wear chapstick 24/7, so that's what I'm gonna be using, but you could definitely like wear like a lip gloss or anything you really want. So I'm just gonna be applying chapstick. Okay, that was fun. Okay guys, that was it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you liked my makeup and if you want to see more back to school videos. I hope you guys have a great school year. I hope I have a great school year. I'm nervous, but like it's fine. This is what I would probably wear to school if I was in high school. I will see you guys in my next one.